Hello everyone! Today we'll have a new lesson about MS Word Find functions. Using the Edit then Find dialog box, this allows you to search for text, graphics, and lots of other document items. If you interrupt a find and replace operation before it has finished, you can resume by pressing F4. You can also display this dialog box using the shortcut key Ctrl F. You can perform the search for the word or phrase last entered instead of pressing Edit, then Find by pressing Shift F4. So here is the Find What dialog box. Now, what is text formatting? Possible text effects are strike through, superscript, subscript, hidden, small caps, all caps, double strike, shadow, outline, emboss, and engrave. The No Formatting button will cancel any formatting selected from these dialog boxes. Here are the examples of special characters. Paragraph mark, tab character, any digit, any letter, caret character, section character, paragraph character, column break, em dash, end dash, endnote mark, field, footnote mark, graphic, manual line break, manual page break, non-breaking hyphen, non-breaking space, optional hyphen, section break, and white space. Important reminder, once you have found the first word, close the dialog box and use the arrows below the scroll bars in the right-hand side. Let's proceed to find in terms of replace. In Replace, you can also display this dialog box using the shortcut key Ctrl H. You can search for non-printing characters such as page breaks, carriage returns, select the special button, pattern matching. For multiple criteria, select Advanced Search. This is the example of Replace tab. Then, let's proceed to the Find in terms of Go-To. Here is the Page tab for Go-To, wherein let's quickly move to particular items or positions in your document. Examples are section, line, bookmark, comment, footnote, endnote, field, table, graphic, equation, object, and heading. So here is the example for section image, line image, bookmark image, comment image, footnote image, endnote image, field image, table image, graphic image, equation image, object image, and the heading image. Let's proceed to define in terms of undo repeat. In undo repeat, whenever you make mistakes, you can recover from this by selecting Edit, then Undo. This feature is extremely useful and is workbook, not worksheet specific. This allows you to undo up to the last 16 consecutive actions. Every time you use the undo feature, those actions that you undo are placed in the redo category. This can be useful as you may accidentally undo more actions than necessary. Undo reverses the effects of an action and returns your document to the way it was before you performed the action. If you want to undo several actions at the same time, you must use the toolbar button. Scroll to and select the actions you want to undo. Word will undo that action as well as all the actions after it. Certain changes might take a while to undo, such as find and replace in a large document. In some cases, Word will warn you if it cannot store the undo information for a particular action. The undo feature can be used in two ways, either to quickly reverse your last action or to select from a list of your last 16 actions. You can repeat the undo by using the shortcut key Ctrl Z. The black arrow on its right gives you access to the drop-down list of the latest actions that can be undone. How about using redo? The redo is structured exactly the same as the undo, occupying an adjacent position on the toolbar. You have the ability to redo up to 16 of the most recent actions. The redo action cancels the undo command. The drop-down list contains the most recent actions that can be canceled. Next is using repeat. It is possible to repeat your last action, assuming that it was not an undo. You can also repeat your last action by using the shortcut key F4 or Ctrl Y. How about the things you cannot undo? Some actions, especially those involving worksheet manipulation, cannot be undone, such as inserting or deleting of worksheets. Saving the file. You also cannot undo settings from the Tools then Options dialog box, and saving or printing. How to clear the undo? Kindly refer to the knowledge-based article 211317, the active document that undo clear. And how to increase the undo? It is possible to change the registry entry if you want to be able to undo more than 16 actions. And for the important reminders, the edit then undo command is workbook, not worksheet specific. When you perform a file, then save, all the undos are lost. So that's all the ideas about the MS Word find functions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.